Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can allow camera access to the apps on your iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you would have to do is open your settings, and after opening your settings, now scroll down until you see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it. So after opening your privacy and security, now you have to scroll down until you see the option of camera. Here you can see the option of camera under the Bluetooth option right here. Tap on it. And then in here you can see all these apps that is currently enabled are using your camera. And in here you can see the Facebook is currently not able to access your camera. So all you have to do in order to Facebook to get access of your camera is tap on this toggle button right here like this, and you can see now it is enabled, and like this you can enable the access to any app to use your camera. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.